Thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 1K. I'm almost at 1K. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up right now. Subscribe.
If you're not already subscribed to my channel, find my link in the bio and please subscribe and share with some friends. And until next time.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. So if this is your first time here, you are in for a big treat. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So as you guys know, on my channel I do a lot of beauty regimens, styling hauls, beauty tips, and etc. But today I actually have a sneaker haul for you guys. So let me just go ahead and say I am not a sneakerhead. So this review is going to be a little bit biased because I am merely talking about the color, the style, and what I like about the shoe. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to be showing you guys today the Women's Air Jordan OG. And the color that I have for you guys is natural gray. And let me show you guys. So this shoe apparently is a big deal. So I guess this shoe is super rare, and it actually came with a style card or shoe card, what have you. And so on here it basically tells the story of the shoe. And it pretty much talks about in 1998, Jordan Brand took as inspiration from not only the greatest basketball player in the world, but also the undeniable skill, style, and spirit of the Jumpman women's community to create its first Women's Air Jordan silhouette. Inspired by a community that was ready to claim its professional spot on the court, the silhouette was designed for women who were owning and growing the game across the world. From the dimpled leather of the Air Jordan 13 to the herringbone traction, the shoe was designed to do what MJ did, to fly. 2 decades later, the Women's Air Jordan returned to inspire a new generation of women to claim their spot in their own game. So you know, I told y'all before, I am a sucker for packaging, and I definitely like the fact that they went ahead and included that style card, okay? So let me get into the rest of it and show you guys the shoe. Super cute, right? Okay guys, so for me, not even being a sneakerhead, you know that this shoe was super cute because I just gravitated to the style. So of course what I loved about the shoe was all of the quilted qualities that it has in there. I know they're calling that the dimple effect. So the shoe that I actually have, you guys, I believe that my shoe is a more of a suede material, as you guys can see. So the color here, let me see exactly what they're calling it. So neutral gray, cement gray black. So this shoe is super neutral. You could definitely wear this shoe in the spring and in the summer as well as the fall. So I believe this shoe is definitely a year-round shoe. The shoe fits very comfortably. Here is the back of it. So the back of it is called a herringbone traction. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with what all of that means, but I guess it just gives you that extra advantage when you're out there on the court playing with these shoes right here. So here it is, and because this is the woman's shoe, it actually has the cute Jumpman right here as well as the W. So I thought that that was cute. All the little style features are definitely there. And you know that this is a Air Woman's OG shoe, so it definitely had to represent with the W in the back. The shoe is super cute, you guys. So they actually have this shoe in tons of other colors. They actually have this shoe in a coconut milk color, and it's like this beigey orange color. It looks super cute. So I'm thinking that I definitely want to get this shoe in other colors as well. The shoe is super comfortable, you guys. It even has the Jumpman right here along the arch of the shoe. As well, there's a Jumpman here on that inner sole. So yes, you guys, the shoe is super cute. So when I was at the Foot Locker store, I wasn't sure if it ran true to size, half a size bigger or smaller. So I did go with my true size, which is a size 10, and the shoe fit really comfortable. So apparently they do fit true to size. So these shoes, actually, I did get them for $140 plus the taxes. And I thought that was a good deal. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys, because I did pick those up in a second color as well. So it's the same packaging. It also includes the shoe card here. And here is the color, you guys. This color right here is called the Lime Ice Court Blue White. Super cute, right? I'm really loving that blue and that green, the way it plays off of each other. So it's the same deal here. These shoes are actually not leather. They are actually more of a suede material, but it still does have that dimpling effect. If you look closer, this is like a royal blue color, waved in between. Here's the bottom of the shoe. Super cute. Still has the Jumpman on the side right here in that arch, as well as in the sole of the shoe. It has the W in the back and also the Jumpman right here. So the shoe definitely has a lot of cute features, you guys. Once again, I did get these in the size 10. And same thing, same deal, you guys. This shoe, because of the style and the silhouette, I'm pretty sure that you could go ahead and wear this shoe all year long. Now, I have not worn them yet, so I'm not sure how they hold up to stain or anything like that. Like I said, I have a house full of kids and they're always stepping on my feet. So I'm not sure how they would do if, you know, they get any scuffs or anything like that. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these, you guys. So do me a favor right now and comment down below. Comment down below which color is your favorite, the gray ones or the lime green ones. I think these shoes are super cute. I can't wait to collect more colors and also increase my sneaker collection, because I do have a lot of girly shoes, but I think it's also cute to rock a couple of sneakers, have a couple of sneakers in your arsenal, have a couple of sneakers in your shoe collection. And that's what I said. I've been kind of doing more of the casual types of looks because I am working out so much. So I might as well go ahead and add some sneakers to the collection. And yes, so let me know, you guys. I know I'm not a sneakerhead and I probably did not explain the Jordans as, you know, some of your other faves do, but I did what I did, okay? And like I said, there'll be more sneaker hauls to come, so stay tuned for it. Thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 1K. I'm almost at 1K. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up right now, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.